Ever wondered why we hiccup? It's not just random, it's your body acting up. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle that helps you breathe, spasms suddenly. This forces air out of your lungs and slams your vocal cords shut, making that iconic hic sound. They can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even stress. It's your body's weird way of reacting to irritation or excitement. Hiccups might be a leftover reflex from our evolutionary past, but scientists aren't 100% sure. A mystery for the ages. Learned something new? Like this video if you've ever had the hiccups, smash subscribe for more quirky facts, and share it with someone who needs this answer.